In this video, we're diving into the world of plant-based nutrition and its incredible impact on preventing chronic diseases. Whether you're considering a dietary change or just curious, stick around to learn more about the incredible benefits of plant-based eating. So grab your favorite green smoothie and let's get started. Did you know that chronic diseases, like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers, account for a significant portion of global deaths? It's true, but fear not, because we have a powerful ally: plant-based eating. Numerous studies over the last few decades have shown that people who consume a diet rich in plant foods tend to have a lower risk of chronic diseases. But why? Well, one of the main reasons is those bioactive compounds found in plants. Antioxidants, like the superheroes of nutrition, mop up free radicals that damage our cells and cause chronic inflammation. And guess what? Plants are packed with these disease-fighting warriors. Now, let's talk genes. And no, I don't mean the denim ones that you wear when going outside. I mean the ones inside of us that determine our traits. Some of us carry genetic variants that make us more susceptible to heart disease, high cholesterol, and hypertension. But here's the twist: raw vegetables, berries, and fruits can modify those genes. Yep, you heard me right. If you have that pesky 9p21 gene variant, the one linked to heart disease, eating loads of raw veggies and fruits can significantly reduce your risk. Hippocrates was onto something when he said, "Let food be thy medicine." Now, let's talk about heart health and how a plant-based diet can lower heart disease risk. A plant-based diet is rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes, which are packed with essential nutrients and fiber. These foods help reduce blood pressure, lower cholesterol levels, and decrease inflammation, all of which contribute to a healthier heart. Studies have shown that people who follow a plant-based diet have a lower risk of developing cardiovascular diseases. This is because plant-based foods are naturally low in saturated fats and cholesterol, which are commonly found in animal products. Next, let's discuss diabetes. A plant-based diet can play a significant role in preventing and managing type 2 diabetes. High-fiber foods, such as fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, help regulate blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Eating a variety of plant-based foods can help maintain a healthy weight, which is crucial for diabetes prevention. Plus, plant-based diets are often lower in calories, making it easier to achieve and sustain a healthy weight. Now, let's talk about cancer prevention. Research indicates that a plant-based diet can lower the risk of certain types of cancer, particularly colorectal cancer. The fiber in plant-based foods promotes healthy digestion and regular bowel movements, which help remove toxins from the body. As we discussed earlier, antioxidants found in fruits and vegetables protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants, along with phytochemicals, have been shown to reduce the risk of cancer by also inhibiting the growth of cancer cells. But just know that adopting a plant-based diet doesn't mean you have to give up delicious food. In fact, it opens up a world of flavors and possibilities. From hearty salads to curry dishes, quinoa bowls, flavorful stir-fries, and decadent desserts, the options are endless. And incorporating more plant-based meals into your diet can lead to long-term health benefits. And just by further prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods, you provide your body with the nutrients it needs to thrive and to fight these chronic diseases. Thanks for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on living a healthy, plant-based lifestyle. Remember, small changes can make a big difference. Here's to your health.